Healthy snacks and recipes for a vibrant life. Welcome to Healthy Snacks and Recipes for a Vibrant Life. Today, we'll explore a world of delicious and nutritious snacks that will fuel your body and support your overall well-being. Let's dive in. Benefits of healthy snacks. Before we get started, let's understand why healthy snacks are essential for a vibrant life. Consuming nutritious snacks helps improve energy levels, stabilize blood sugar, and boost our mood throughout the day. Planning your healthy snack routine. The key to maintaining a healthy snack routine is to plan ahead. By preparing your snacks in advance, you can avoid reaching for unhealthy options when hunger strikes. Quick and easy snack ideas. Let's explore some quick and easy snack ideas that are not only tasty but also loaded with nutrients. From refreshing fruit and nut combos to crunchy vegetable sticks paired with creamy hummus, these snacks are sure to satisfy your cravings. Nutritious smoothies and juices. Start your day right with a burst of vitamins and antioxidants. Discover a variety of delicious smoothie and juice recipes that promote glowing skin and a strengthened immune system. Wholesome homemade granola bars. Tired of store-bought granola bars loaded with sugars and preservatives? Learn how to make your own wholesome granola bars that are perfect for snacking on the go. Creative salads for sustained energy. Salads can be exciting too. We'll show you how to create vibrant and nutrient-packed salads that provide sustained energy and nourishment. Baked and air-fried snacks. Craving something crispy? Say goodbye to traditional fried snacks and welcome baked sweet potato fries and air-fried crispy chickpeas into your life. Guilt-free desserts. Yes, you can have your dessert and eat it too. Indulge in guilt-free treats like chia seed pudding and avocado chocolate mousse that satisfy your sweet tooth without compromising your health. Snacks for special diets. No matter your dietary preferences or restrictions, we've got you covered. Discover delicious snacks tailored to vegan, gluten-free, and dairy-free lifestyles. Meal prepping for healthy snacks. The secret to success is meal prepping. Learn how to efficiently prepare your healthy snacks for the week ahead to save time and stay on track with your healthy eating goals. Congratulations! You've unlocked the world of healthy snacks and recipes that can lead you to a vibrant life. Remember, nourishing your body with wholesome foods is a journey, and we'll be here to support you every step of the way. If you enjoyed this video and want more delicious recipes and health tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media. Until next time, stay vibrant and healthy.